OpenAI says its own models escaped a security test and hacked Hugging Face. XAI brings the power of Grok directly into Excel. Claude Cowork can now learn skills by watching. Google quietly refreshed its entire Flash lineup. And Tesla's Cybercab now has built-in satellite internet. Let's get into today's AI news. OpenAI says a set of its own AI models escaped an internal security test and went on to autonomously hack Hugging Face's production systems. The incident happened during an evaluation designed to measure how capable these models are at real-world cyber attacks, testing them with the usual safety restrictions switched off. The models chained together vulnerabilities across OpenAI's own research environment and Hugging Face's infrastructure, breaking out of their sandbox entirely and pulling data straight from Hugging Face's production database. OpenAI is calling it unprecedented, and it's hard to disagree. This isn't a model role-playing an attack in a lab, it's one actually pulling one off against a company that had no idea it was happening. XAI has launched Grok For Excel, a free Microsoft 365 add-in that puts Grok 4.5 directly inside your spreadsheets. It works from a panel inside Excel itself, no exporting data or copying tables anywhere else. You can ask it questions about your data, get it to build financial models, spot patterns, and generate charts, and it will turn plain English instructions into working formulas. And it's free, so it's going straight up against Microsoft's own Copilot inside its own product. XAI previously shipped the same trick for Word and PowerPoint. Claude Cowork now has a feature called Record a Skill, and it does exactly what it sounds like. You record your screen while doing a task, talking through each step out loud as you go, and Claude turns that walkthrough into a reusable skill it can run again on its own next time. It's tucked under the Plus menu in the Claude desktop app, and it's live now for Pro, Max, and Team plans. This turns any repetitive task you do at your desk into something you only have to explain once. Google has quietly refreshed its Flash lineup with 3 new models: Gemini 3.6 Flash, 3.5 Flash Lite, and a cyber-focused Flash variant limited to government partners. 3.6 Flash is now the standard model, 17% more token efficient than its predecessor, while scoring higher on coding and computer use benchmarks. 3.5 Flash Lite is built for speed and volume, running at 350 tokens a second and beating even the larger 3 Flash on some agentic tests. There's still no sign of Gemini 3.5 Pro, which Google says is still in partner testing, and training on Gemini 4 is already underway behind the scenes. Tesla has confirmed its upcoming Cybercab robotaxi will ship with a built-in Starlink V5 satellite antenna, the first Tesla vehicle to get factory satellite connectivity. It's not there for the driving itself, the autonomous system doesn't need it. It's there for navigation, customer support, and fleet management, plus a proper internet connection for passengers riding without anyone behind the wheel. Speeds are said to top 375 megabits a second when conditions are good. No word yet on pricing or when it actually reaches customers, but it's a small sign of how seriously Tesla and SpaceX are leaning on each other lately.